We are practicing Anulom Vilom Pranayama today, which is also known as Nadi Shodhana, which means alternate nostril breathing. Today's video is for complete beginners. So we'll start with few basic practice which will help you get into the actual Anulom Vilom or Nadi Shodhana practice. Practice is divided in 3 different steps. So we'll start with the first step. First step, we are taking a chin mudra. Bring your index finger and thumb together. Palms facing ceiling. Straight spine. Have your eyes closed. And we are just working on lengthening the breath. So take a deep inhalation. Engage your abdomen and the chest together. And as you exhale, release the chest down and the abdomen. Right, continue. Focusing on the abdomen. Taking deep inhalation and exhaling it out completely. Inhaling. Exhale. Inhale 3. Exhaling. Inhale one more time. Exhaling. Once you get the yogic breathing right, we move on to step 2. We'll start with Nasagra Mudra. So check your right hand. We are folding first 2 fingers. You will use your thumb and ring finger to work on the nostril. Your left hand, take a chin mudra again, palm facing the ceiling, and we are closing the right nostril with the thumb. We are working only on one nostril now, just so that we get the rhythm right. So start to inhale from left nostril. And slowly exhaling the breath completely. Inhaling. Second round. Exhale. Inhale 3. Exhaling. Inhale 4. Exhaling. Inhale 5. Exhaling. Once we exhale, we are switching the nostril. So close the left nostril. Inhale from right. And exhaling from the right nostril. Continue. Inhale right. Exhaling. Inhale 3. Exhaling. Inhale 4. Exhaling. Inhale 5. Exhaling. Once we exhale, we come on to chin mudra with both hands. Few normal breaths. We'll start with alternate nostril breathing, taking Nasagra mudra, closing right nostril. Inhale from left, closing left. Exhale from right nostril. Inhale, right side again. Closing right. Exhale, left nostril. This is one round. We'll continue from left nostril, inhaling. Closing left. Exhale, right nostril. Inhale right, closing right, exhale left. Inhaling left side, exhale right, inhale right, exhale left. Inhaling left, exhale right, inhale right, exhale left. One more round. Inhale left, exhale right, inhaling right side, exhale left side. Exhaling completely from left side, and we take a chin mudra, taking a few normal breaths here. Once you're pro with stage 3, we will add 1:1 ratio in the breathing, which means if you are inhaling for 3 counts, you will exhale for 3 count, inhale 3 count again, and exhale for 3 count. Now 3 count is just an example that I'm giving. If you are okay with 4 or 5 counts, you shall do that also. The idea is to keep the breathing count equal. So inhaling for same count and exhaling for same. So let's try that. Let's take a chin mudra on left hand, your right hand, Nasagra mudra. We are inhaling from left, 1, 2, 3, closing left, exhale right, 1, 2, 3. Inhale right for 1, 2, 3, closing right, exhale from left for 1, 2, 3. This is one round. Continue. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale right. 1, 2, 3. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Closing right. Exhale 1, 2, 3. Inhaling 1, 2, 3. Closing left. Exhale 1, 2, 3. Inhaling 1, 2, 3. Closing right. Exhale left. 1, 2, 3. Continue. Fourth round. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3. Inhaling 1, 2, 3. Exhale left. 1, 2, 3. Continue one more round, counting mentally yourself, making sure the ratio is equal on both the sides. Once we exhale from left side, we come back to Chin Mudra, taking a few natural breaths. And take a moment to observe the effect of the practice.